Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith here in for Rob. It is Tuesday, October 14th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. Right, let me give you a quick update here on the NASDAQ on the daily, first of all. So this is the NASDAQ on the daily chart. What you can see here, we talked about this yesterday. We were in an uptrend on the NASDAQ, but then we started getting some red Heikin-Ashi candles, but we're getting wicks here. So at the time of this video, 11:23, we're currently right here, but another wick at this point in time, right at the bottom here of the champion trend. So as a swing trader, I am more bullish than bearish, based on the overall trend, but I'm not looking to enter yet, right? I would need to see these type of formations reform, and I love to see the Heikin-Ashi algorithms become bullish as well, right? So, the HADS is getting extended, so we could eventually have another HADS trade to the upside as well. But at this point, still uncertainty. We don't know if this market is going to want to go lower or continue to hold here at the champion trend. Now, within the live training room this morning, I had two trades. I hope you all enjoyed, by the way. It was just a fantastic trading day. We've had a lot of those lately, as you can imagine. But this was in the early morning session. We started at 8 a.m. on Tuesdays, okay? And we got into a sell zone. We had triggers telling us potential shorts. Then I had a pullback. You see the yellow Heikin-Ashi dots back in the direction of the trend. I just scalped this. I got 10 ticks and out here on the NQ during the early morning session there, okay? Now, let me talk about the second trade here. And before we get to that, let me go now and set the tone with the volume profile. So at 9:30 when we got in, we were looking at the volume profile, and what we noticed here was we were pretty well extended. And then once we got at the 9:30 open, let me just change the color here so you can see it easier. We had divergence, HADS extended, and then this was the confirmation candle around 9, I think that was 9:50, bullish candle, basically saying, hey, this is probably the bottom for now. But then when I was looking at the shorter time frames based off of that, let me show you. Okay, we went into the 1-minute chart here. We went into a buy zone. Okay, we had a pullback here. I waited. I wanted the channel to widen some more. Okay, and then see the arrow? This is where I went into the trade. We had a range breaker as well, flat bottom Heikin-Ashi. Okay, that was a beautiful trade that I got out at 100 ticks. 100 ticks. Okay, so basically 25 points on the NQ. Following the trend, just managing the trade. Others got more. It stayed in longer. But what a fantastic trade opportunity we had today in the NQ. All right, folks, so if you want to learn in detail on how I'm doing this, what I'm doing tomorrow, Wednesday, October 15th at 10 a.m., if you go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes, so becomeabettertrader.com/yes, you can register. Again, looking forward to showing you exactly how I've been doing it, how I use my advanced Heikin-Ashi system. Remember, I've got over 6-figure payouts just in Apex alone, and over the last 30 days, 5-figure payouts. Okay, so come listen. It's something I really believe you should look at, understand, and I look forward to seeing you there tomorrow, 10 o'clock Eastern. Hope to see you then. Have a great day. Take care.